Hey, so I finally uploaded another video. My last video, I was trying to use more colors and get outside my comfort zone, but on this video I decided to do my usual style of like everyday, easy, kind of like a dark neutral style. Yeah, I just decided to go for that because that's a little more me, a little more in my wheelhouse. Hopefully this is a good tutorial for you. Like I said, it's just everyday wear, easy, matches with pretty much anything. I talked a lot through this video, which I didn't do before, so last time I just filmed it and then I did a voiceover so I could like make sure I didn't say anything weird, but this time I just filmed it and I talked like the whole time, so I probably said like a lot of weird things that I can't cut out because that would be cutting out the content. So you're gonna have to see the real me and what I really act like and how embarrassing I am. But that's okay because only 4 people are gonna watch the video anyways, so it doesn't even matter. Okay, so the next step is eyebrows. They really pull the whole look together, to be honest, especially since I shaved my eyebrows down into tiny sticks. I look really weird without my eyebrows done, but I still walk around without my eyebrows done like 85% of the time, if not more, because I'm too lazy. So I just walk around with little half eyebrows, but at the end of the day, when I do my makeup, they look better if I don't have full eyebrows, so I don't care. I mean, it doesn't help that my natural eyebrows aren't that great looking anyways, you know. They don't have very good arch. They're not dark. People always look at me when I don't have eyebrows on and they go, where's your eyebrows? So they're like further stigmatizing the fact that I have to do my eyebrows, which I don't anyways, so I guess it doesn't matter. But you know, they'll like make fun of me for doing my eyebrows, but at the same time, if I don't have my eyebrows done, they'll be all, hey, where's your eyebrows? Oh my god. So like, what, Ray? Does anybody else who does their eyebrows feel like their eyebrow shape just changes depending on the day? Some days I'll have like really thick eyebrows, and then some days I'll have, you know, I mean they're still kind of thick, but they'll be like a little bit thinner. Or sometimes they'll be more rounded, or sometimes they'll be more squared. Oh yeah, that looks a lot different than my other eyebrow. So now I'm gonna clean these bad boys up and hopefully they look a little more uniform. To clean them up, I just get a little foundation on a flat brush. And then I just clean up the edges. Looks much better. Now for the fun part, on to the eyeshadow. I always start with putting some concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow has something to stick to, because if it doesn't have something to stick to, it's not going to be very pigmented. I just put some of that, like that, and some of these, and some of these. Okay, and then just blend her out. And then, of course, my favorite brush is the Royal & Langnickel Crease and Smudge Brush. And I got this in my Ipsy, and it is like the most trusty thing I've ever got in my Ipsy. I use this all the time. I absolutely love it. So I just get a nice light cool brown on my fluffy end of my brush. I do the inner and outer corner with this. I have been taking it out a lot further. Where I would normally stop here, I've just been taking it all the way out to here. Give the illusion that I have a bigger eyelid than I do, right? Am I right, ladies? You want to look like your eye is way too big, just way too big. to be human. You just want your eyes to look like they're way too big, because that is sexy. That's what men want. Put some on the bottom lid for good measure. Alright, yep, then you do the same old thing to the other eye. Then I'm gonna get like a pretty dark brown, kind of like a cool gray brown, and then I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Look at that depth. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely magnificent. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the inner corner so that I can like create a circle in the middle of my eye for some reason. And then you do the bottom again. It looks a little more put together. Surprise! You do the same thing on the other eye. So now for the fun part, the shimmer that I'm going to do with the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Since the concealer helps hold color on, especially for a shimmer, I'm going to use this little flat brush, but it's like rounded. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. I'm going to get some concealer on it, and then I'm just going to make like a little circle on my eyelids. You get some shimmer on that little end. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other eye. I feel like I accidentally put a little too much of that shimmer on, so I'm just going to go back in with my dark color again and clean it up some. I'm going to take the same color clutch and put it in the like bottom lid inner corner. So then I'm going to use Break Free on my brow bone to give it some shimmer. And then also on my inner corner. And do the same thing on the other eye. So that's that for eyeshadow. Then I am going to get some kohl eyeliner. I'm just gonna like horribly let you guys watch while I insert a pencil into my eye and act like it's completely normal. And now I am on to the actual eyeliner, which is the Eyeshadow London I Do Liquid Eyeliner, and then underneath it says, "That's where I draw the line." It's just a felt tip eyeliner, which is what I prefer because I have no talent, and that's the easiest one in my opinion. So yeah, sorry if this is gonna be like an awkward viewing angle. Maybe we can put her down a little bit. I start with a line. I'm going to pull it top. Good line going straight up. And then I good line going diagonal. Right up. And then I fill that in. And then I do the same thing on the other side. And then get out my trusty mascara. I'm going to maybe attempt to put some fake eyelashes on. But first things first, gonna put on my mascara so I don't get mascara all up in my fake eyelashes. This is the Thrive Cosmetics, and it's spelled C-A-U-S-E Medics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn Rich Black. I like this. I've had better. It's good though. I got it Nipsey, so I can't complain. So I have these fake eyelashes. I don't know if you even really care to see fake eyelashes, but they're Kiss Cosmetics, some style. Maybe I'll link it because I can't remember. And then I have the Strip Lash Adhesive by Kiss Cosmetics also. Just put the glue on here, a nice thin layer, and then I just shake it around a little bit. And then I'll just try to hurry up and put this on. And then the worst part of all is trying to stick it onto my eyelid. It's so hard for me. It's so hard. I don't know how people do this. I just have not learned the way of the lash yet. It doesn't look that bad. You want it to be nice and tacky, so it just sticks straight onto your eyelid. No hesitation, no problem. These things, like the worst invention, but they look so cute. But it feels so uncomfortable. And then, yeah, I just stick that onto my eyelid for some reason. I don't know why I put myself through this torture. I hate fake eyelashes. That's why I never wear them, but I'm trying to get back into them because they are very cute. They just stress me out and they're uncomfortable and my eyes don't love them. But look how cute. Okay, so daylight is starting to fade out on me because I had to charge my camera like 15 times. So I brought my light down. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? I'm just out here trying to make content, you know? Just struggling out here, just trying to peddle my content to you. So yeah, I'm gonna do my lipstick now. I've got NYX Liquid Suede. I love this color. It is Brooklyn Thorn. This is like the first time I've been quiet this whole video. Now, my highlight, I just got this in Ipsy. It is State, and it's Do Me. Oh my gosh, that's funny. That is comedy gold. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put, oh shoot, my camera's dying. I'm just gonna hurry up and put that on. Nose highlight. I live for nose highlight. It is the cherry on top. It's so cute. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this. I'll try to get some better shots of what it looks like closer up so that you get a better idea of what it looks like as a whole. Oh, there I am close up. So you can see I've got my fake eyelashes on this time. You can also see that literally every time I decide to film a video, bad boy has to pop up and ruin my life. So you can see it's all like the same color palette, like it's all cooler toned, like kind of gray browns. I really like this. I don't do much with cool browns. Usually I'm like a warm brown orange kind of person, but I like this. Hairspray. Here she is. she's very grumpy. She doesn't want to be here right now. She wants to walk all over the set, but the minute she's got to be part of the video, she wants to scream and complain. So I thought it would be fun if, like, when I get my Ipsy bag each month, I could open it on camera and kind of go through like the items that I get and then try to use those items to make a look. It would encourage me to use that makeup, and also if you were like on the fence of getting an Ipsy bag, you could be like, hey, that looks good. That's good makeup. That's some good stuff. So let me know if you would be interested in that. I think that would be fun. Okay, anyways, yeah, that was it. So hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time.